Welcome to News in Slow English. This is your time to practice English listening step by step at a clear and natural speed. At the same time, you will learn about real news from around the world. Today's story is a piece of good news for our planet. Today we have encouraging news for our planet. This week, Morocco became the 60th country to ratify the High Seas Treaty. It is the first global agreement designed to protect marine life in international waters. So, what exactly are the high seas? They are parts of the ocean that do not belong to any single nation. They cover about 2/3 of the world's oceans and almost half of Earth's surface. For many years, these areas were like the Wild West, without clear rules and open to exploitation. The new treaty will create marine protected areas. It will limit harmful activities such as overfishing and deep-sea mining. It will also support scientific cooperation so that countries can pool their resources and study the ocean together. Why is this treaty such a big deal? Because the ocean is not just water, it is the heart of our climate system. It provides food, oxygen, and stability. If we destroy the ocean, we shoot ourselves in the foot. Reaching this agreement was not easy. Many people thought nations would never see eye to eye, but more than 60 countries have already said yes. And this shows that global cooperation is possible, even in difficult times. Of course, signing the treaty is only the first step. Now, countries need to implement the rules and turn promises into action. Still, today we can say that humanity has taken a historic step to protect the blue heart of our planet. Now it is time to practice vocabulary and idioms from today's News Vocabulary Idioms box. Ratify, to officially approve a law or treaty. International waters. Ocean areas not under the control of any one country. Overfishing. Catching too many fish, faster than they can reproduce. Deep-sea mining. Extracting minerals from the ocean floor. Marine protected area. A part of the ocean where human activity is restricted to protect life. Pool resources. Idiom. To combine money, skills, or knowledge to achieve something together. Shoot oneself in the foot. Idiom. To harm yourself by your own actions. Wild West. Idiom. A situation without rules or control. See eye to eye. Idiom. To agree with someone. Thanks for listening to your English Toolbox News. Stay tuned for more news to come, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you soon.